Deborah James has said that she is going to embrace the great British weather, even if it is chucking it down. The 40-year-old mum of two, who was made a dame last week by Prince William, has said that she is embracing the rain, 7 days after revealing she has stopped her cancer treatment. The inspiring cancer campaigner, who is behind the popular BBC podcast You, Me and the Big C, has posted a video on social media of her enjoying the rain in the back garden of her parents' home. Deborah wrapped a blanket around her as the rain fell, but she was not perturbed by the wet weather. She was joined by her dog, who didn't leave her side, as they looked to make the most of the outdoors. Captioning the short video, Deborah wrote, "A late friend once told me to embrace the rain because you never knew when the last time you might feel that rain on your face is. So I'm embracing it, albeit with blankets." Deborah received her damhood for her extraordinary fundraising efforts after her Bowel Babe Fund received donations of more than £6 million in just a week. She had launched the fund the day she revealed that she was having palliative care at her parents' house, after telling fans that her body was no longer responding to the cancer treatment. After the fund topped £5 million, Deborah wrote on Instagram, "We're completely lost for words. This is all just beyond anything we could have ever imagined." "The last 5 days have been surreal. Thank you for putting a huge smile on my face, and helping us to launch a legacy to hopefully impact a lifetime cutting-edge cancer care. Thanks to an incredibly generous donation earlier today, and to every single person who's donated to the Bowel Babe Fund, we've just reached the unbelievable total of £5 million. Deborah was diagnosed with stage 4 bowel cancer in December 2016, just days before Christmas. Web celebs at nearer.co.uk or call us direct 0207 29 33 033.